Meaning of high tops.
High tops.
High tops.
High tops.
High tops. High tops refers to a type of sneaker or athletic shoe that extends above the ankle. These shoes typically have laces that go up the front and may have additional straps or buckles for support. High tops are known for their ability to provide extra stability and protection to the ankle during physical activity. They are commonly worn in sports such as basketball, where jump landings and quick changes in direction put stress on the lower body. High-top sneakers have also become popular as a fashion trend, with various colors and designs available to suit different tastes and styles.